CyberBrainer is an online training platform designed to help individuals and teams learn the latest technologies and become certified professionals, producing a comprehensive learning experience.
Then the process will hunt. So that's why I just go there and check. Got you. So supplier name. We'll just say, folks in the streets. I think it will just say it's a good idea. Our industry is a 1. So, folks in the. Okay. These you and us number done in Brett's number, it's like a unique number given to the companies for their ratings of supply. Bring customers. So you can buy their services from this company. Then we'll read street, which will tell you about the supply, like how well they are delivering goods. Are they? Are they good on providing good goods and services compared to the market? And do they follow regulations and policies like it's a big thing, you just need to pay them? You get this number. Or you can ask directly the supplier itself that, can you release for your D and this number? They will do it. So you need. And to identify there is unique and the. Like, how do you identify them? So we just know folks in the streets blanket. But do they go with some other name or some other thing? Okay. Okay. Now. Well, you don't have that right now. So we just keep it supply. Get it? We did create blanket. Remember, they can only one supply category. And we can have multiple groups if you want. We can get. So. Default payment terms. We'll say net 10 days. Within net 10 days, we'll pay the supplier. So we'll just find out. Net 10 days. We can type how you will pay the supplier pad, so we'll use cash. Check. We can use Diana, but also diabetic means the supplier can debit or account. Not Deccan, because elasticsulcuts. We're signed. Like direct debit form where the supplier said that okay. When that duty will come, our bank will debit your account for the payments we own, like that. The for payment type we can say check. Now the for preference type that we have seen earlier. Also, like Brazil, these are different payment gateways, as I said earlier also that in certain countries, like you, have Paytm in India and other payment gateways. UPS Bar of Pay. These are also the payment gateways through which you can pay the suppliers. If you use any of this method, you can put it here, select one and then always you have to give a reference number whenever you get this supplier invoice that you're not doing so it's kept it. Then accept all currencies. So if you want to pay this supplier in any currency, regardless of their main currency, let's work. So we'll see, yes, it will work. This supply, accept all currencies, but what would? The default currency that we have to mention is USD. Supply security segment. This will come in security separate like, again, as I said, like 10 people will look one customer supplier, another 10 will, or 2 will look another 5 suppliers and so on. So that's a security segment we would talk about, Not right now, the security chapter. Okay, that inspires. Oh, it strengthens them at the right, indirectly. What happened here? Where did you miss a fly? I don't like this in a fresh part of your fox. What happened? Not sure what happened, but it got refreshing all of this. Great, but we got different tabs here. This is what is going to add it. Okay. Now we got the proposed suppressor. This is active here, and if you want to put it like an old or inactive, you can do so. Right, click here. Propose a plastier test. Then you can see a whole lot of inactive. What do you want? Reason, description, like, if you want to put it on inactive mode or on board. What's the reason behind this? Then again, we have seen this in customer side also, that if you want to restrict this supplier for certain, only you can do so. Like it will be used for gym and you're seeing gym and scan it down only and all those things. But if you want this supplier to use with all the companies, you don't put anything here. You can skip it. Give us number. You already talked about these things. Document link. If there is an end of print, shared or local drive somewhere that you want to mention here what this supplier, then you can put it here. Customer account number. Okay. Now, what is the customer account number? So remember you are a customer for that supplier. Okay. What does it mean is that they will have an account number for you. Can you mention it here also? Certificate of insurance date. So if this is a supplier which will add insurance services to you, then you can mention that insurance date also. For example, we have tied up with some insurance company. That will issue the insurance to our, you know what you call it, employees. So when did they issue the insurance to us? So policy to us, we can put that. Certificate of insurance date also. Then payment of his fine exclude from supply and was discount. So suppose, if you ask for discount from supplier because we are paying early, before that 10 days. And all those things. So what would be excluded from that discount that supplier will give us? That would be free to mount other charges. Tax amount. Whatever it is, so we can pick it, like when the supplier will give it discount. You will not give discount, only tax. And free to mount other charges, and so on. You can have only payment discount, also write as a category. Yes. Yes. We can have the. So under payment terms, you can define that. Yes, if you make payment before 10 days, we can select a different payment from. Like we can say this, then you cannot have that right. Not right now. At this point only, we have to say like, If they're being like, let me select anything. Let 5 for net 2 days we have. Net 30 with 2% discount. That 4 days of lab limit of net to check out of day 1. 1 second. Let's see, let me. Maybe it will be a new net 20. Let's 5. 2% 20. Net 25. So it means 20 net.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.